Okay guys, it is time to get started with Tableau. Let's type Tableau Public in Google. As you can see, the first result we have points to Tableau's website at www.tableau.com. I'll click on the link, and this will direct me to the Tableau public domain. It shouldn't be too difficult to download Tableau from here. If you are wondering why we searched for Tableau Public, the reason is quite trivial. This is Tableau's free version. If you don't have a paid subscription for Tableau, this is an excellent alternative. You can practice with most of the program's functionalities, and you don't have to pay Tableau's annual fee. So, it is up to you. You can either use Tableau Public for free or pay for Tableau's desktop version. Both options would allow you to follow along. There are some issues when you want to integrate Tableau Public and programming languages like R, Python, and SQL. To do that, you'll need Tableau Desktop. But for now, Tableau Public will do just fine and allow us to practice at will. All I have to do here is provide an email address. And once I have done that, an exe file will download automatically on my computer. Let's open the exe file. This is the standard installation procedure you will find when installing any program out there. I have to agree to Tableau's terms and conditions, and then click Install. Once the installation starts, I simply have to wait. And here we are. Tableau's installed on my PC. We are ready to start our journey.